selling crack, yeah. Nigga, you still rapping?
What up, bitch? I hang with the hardest motherfuckers. I got rhymes by the buckets, make you niggas wanna suck it. Love
You echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning calls. Even roads feel the sun so cold. Just because we're not alone. You echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning calls. Even roads feel the sun so cold.
I know what it's like to wake up feeling so alone, uncomfortable in your skin, not accepted in your home. Trying hella hard to fit in, but you know you don't belong. And you trying to force a smile, but everything feels so wrong. I'm doing this shit for y'all, I swear I know what you're going through. Feeling like a fucking ghost, ain't nobody notice you. Trying to find a light, but the devil got a hold of you. Struggling every day, giving it your all just to pull through. And if you feeling hopeless, you gotta keep going. You gotta make mistakes, boy, you gotta keep growing. Get up when you fall down and give it your all now. I done fucked it so many times that I done lost count. Confused and pissed off, but I know it's for a reason. I'm shedding tears and I'm bleeding, I'm anxious, I'm barely breathing. I'm hustling and barely sleeping to make sure my family eating. I done take my ass to beating, I got a bassin' for more. Chasing shit we don't have, once we get it, we don't want it. And all the stuff in front of our face, we just ignore it. Everybody wanna hook up, nobody wanna love. We all got our own problem, but we so quick to judge. Look up in the mirror, we all got problems. Pointing other people's flaws out won't solve them. If you love someone, get your phone out, call them. Every day a blessing, but tomorrow isn't promised. Rest.
You echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning calls. Even roads feel the sun so cold. Just because we're not alone. You echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning calls. Even roads
Yeah.
feel the sun so cold.
I wanna be happy with what I have. I'm caught up in the madness of the fast life. I'm too focused on the women, drugs, and cash. It's temporary happiness better than none of it. It's being heartbroken better than never loving it all. Not a question, no answer. Why some babies born with cancer? Why people having babies but they can't afford pampers? Why girls taking pictures degrading themselves for likes? Why people still racist in this new day and time? Why we fighting about religion, Muslim, Jewish, or Christian? When half of them live in poverty, million of them children. Why we still treating gangsters they ain't regular man? 2015, brother, yeah, with the plan. Be the change you wish to see in the world. I gotta say a lot of insecure dudes out here beating their girls. Why the government buy weapons for war, but can't provide school supplies when students get to school and step in the door? Why we glued to computers and phones, $1 billion up in debt, but they still giving students their loans? Mama working 3 jobs till she losing her home. Why the world they progressing, we ain't moving it on? And if you slip and fall, gotta get right back up. If you hella broke, gotta get your stacks up. If they laughing at your dreams, let the haters crack up. Let the haters keep paying while the money pile up. It's rest.